Hi, thanks for tuning in. It is the 18th of January, 2021. If you follow my Facebook page, you will see that there's a Recovery House repair series that we were talking about. We're at the house now. It is the blue place or gray place on the right with the dumpster. And there are several things in this house that have to be repaired in order for her to pass her state inspection. This house has about 8 or 9 guys in it that are recovering from various addictions, and we'll get started right now. Alright, so this is the job for today. Getting the baffles put up in here and getting drywall put up on it. It's going to take approximately 8 sheets of drywall. Well, we have to move the dinosaurs. Hi, you Christian?
I'm Jason. Christian will be back shortly.
Okay.
Is there anything I can help you?
No, I just wanted to make sure you guys knew I was here. We're working on this
you're
today.
good. Thank you.
Okay. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to move that table over. We'll take these two out, slide them right in there, and then move the little stuff. Okay? All right, I'm not privy to know who removed the drywall and the wet insulation. I do know that the roof leaked. It now has a new roof on it. And I'm assuming the remediation company came in and removed all of this wet and destroyed drywall. They didn't do a very good job in getting the edges cleaned up. And you might say, well, it wasn't their job. But I've seen remediation companies that I've worked behind before, and they've done exceptional work and cleaned every bit of it up. Very well possible that the homeowner asked that they do a quick job and just get it down and get it out, because she did the same with me when I put this new sealant in. She doesn't want Kitana and I to finish it. And when I say finish it, I mean put joint compound over the tape, sand it so it looks like a seamless ceiling. Instead, she said just tape it and paint it. Well, I go a step above that. I always pre-fill my seams with Durabond 90, and then I'll tape over that, and then I usually finish it over the tape. But in this particular instance, we're going to be just painting over the tape. So I'm just pulling out all the nails that were left behind, cleaning it up. There's silicone all along the edge here, and I'll probably have to do the same thing because the way the drywall fits the ceiling versus the wall drywall was never pushed up far enough against it, and instead they tried to hide it with silicone and some wood, very flimsy wood trim there, as you can see over the exit side there. So that's the plan. We're going to get to it, and I'm not going to bore you with cleaning this up anymore. We're going to jump right to installing the rafter vents.
No more nails.
I got it. I know exactly what you're thinking. Why is he not using a drywall lift? Well, I'll tell you. I have a drywall lift. I own one. It's in the shop. When you break it down, it takes three pieces. You got the wheels, the stand and the wheels, and then you've got the upright, and then you've got the top piece that holds the drywall panel. And it's such a royal pain in the neck to move around. Now, if I was doing an entire ceiling, like 10, 12 sheets, I would have definitely brought it. But I figured I'm putting a full sheet here. The next sheet will be a full sheet. And then I got a 6-foot piece. Those little ones to the left of where I'm working right now, I can hold them up easily. So I thought, well, with like 2 3/4 sheets, there's no sense in going through all that. But I'll be honest with you, it was a bad call, and I should have. It was difficult holding these panels up. But here we go, moving right along. Alright, so I'm going to take a screw and I'm going to put it right in next to this into the joist. Like that. This way I can put my tape measure onto it. And measure over for 8 feet. Squeeze that joist so I can see where it is through the paper. Squeeze it. Yep, 8 feet. Perfect. Ready to put the screw in? Need your help over there. I can't push both sides in. Put the bottom in. Pull it towards you a little bit, grab the end, pull it up here. There you go, put screws in it. One right here.
Right here?
Yeah. Alright, load it and give it to me.
Loaded.
I feel like that's driving them too deep. There you go. And just finish them off with the impact. Drive them in the rest of the way. Not drive them, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
What do you know about recovery homes? How about an addict's life? Suboxone, methadone. How about the rough and often desolate life of an addict? The loss of family and friends. Stay tuned, because in this recovery home series, I interview one of the residents of this home, and he comes clean to you and I.